So you want to find topics for YouTube videos. My name is Darwin from Channel Hero, and in this video, I'll teach you how to discover ideas, see if people are interested in them, and most importantly, check if they're related to your niche. Ever type something into the search bar and words just appear? It's like having a personal search wizard. But first, let me show you what I like to check first. In the Google search bar, type in Google Trends, go to the site, click on Trending Now tab, and just breeze down this list to see if any of the topics relate to your niche. If they do, you need to consider researching that topic to come up with a video idea. If not, click on the Explore tab and see what people are searching for. You can gather some ideas from the list it provides, or for example, if you're reviewing the iPhone 15, type that keyword in and see if people are interested in it. Set your days to the past day and platform to YouTube. As you can see, people are interested, and at some time in day, more searches peak. The next thing I like to do is go to YouTube homepage and begin typing in a keyword that I want to talk about. And as you can see, YouTube automatically fills in a blank when you begin typing a keyword to give you some ideas on what videos you can make. And every time a new phone comes out, the videos that does very well are comparisons. So starting there is a good idea. Selecting a topic, especially one that's trending, can make a big difference in how many people watch a video. Once you decide on your video topic, you'll want to double check to see if there is indeed interest in the topic. I like to use Morning Fame to check my topic scores. So I go to topic and type in the keyword phrase. And 94 out of 100 is excellent. Also, those 2 check marks means that it's being searched on YouTube and Google. The higher the score, the more people are searching it. As I scroll down, I'm able to see which spot in search rank I have an opportunity to compete for given my channel size and current traffic. I advise you to look at the video tutorials on Morning Fame to understand how the grading system works. But in my experiences, as long as the topic you have is an interesting one, YouTube does a good job finding an audience for it. The Optimize tab allows you to repackage your title a little different, pre-fill your description, and give you some working key tags to paste in your video as well. Oh, almost forgot. You can also preload your thumbnail next to the top ranking videos to see if yours will stand out. And if it doesn't, then you can go improvise from there. Ready to learn a secret recipe to success in your YouTube niche? It's all about studying the champions. But before we do that, search your channel tags and write down the name of the channel. Go to your home page and down where it says channel keywords, choose a topic from the list to search into YouTube to find out which creators are making these videos. Now, this step usually takes place when you're creating the channel. And for some reason, if you haven't created your channel, luckily for you, I have a video already available. Just click on the card above. For example, let's use how to make a YouTube channel. As you can see, searching for your channel tags reveals competitors in your niche. Channels like Think Media, vidIQ are some to keep an eye on. And let's do another topic. For example, how to make a thumbnail. And we get channels like Fenzar, Primal Video, and continue to search your tags to expand your list. Now that you've got a list of creators that are in your niche, let's go to Morning Fame again. But this time, let's look at the prototype. As you can see, I have most of my competitors already gathered, and I can look at their latest or most popular videos for topic ideas. Now you have a list of creators in your niche to collab with and get ideas from. I cannot tell you how many times I've made really good videos, but for some reason, no one clicked on them to watch. After studying my content, I figured out what I was screwing up at. I didn't have any thumbnails on my videos because I didn't know how to make them. So watch this next and I'll demonstrate how to make a thumbnail and add it to your video on YouTube, so you won't miss out on being discovered.